Welcome to our Grab and Go series. Today we're going to show you how to do a reading exercise using the large pictures of animals together with a set of name tags from the cultural area. This exercise develops the child's vocabulary, reinforces the names of the animals, and also at the same time reinforces the basic facts and information about animals. So let's watch the presentation. Judith? Today we are going to do a reading exercise using our large pictures of animals along with a set of name tags. Are you ready? So let us look at the first picture. Can you tell me what do you see in the picture?
Tiger.
Oh, it's a tiger. Can you remember what does a tiger feed on?
Meat.
That's right. And what do we call a meat-eating animal?
Carnivore.
That's right, a carnivore. And if you look at the tiger's body, what do you see on the tiger's body?
Black stripes.
Yes, black stripes, okay. It's also covered with fur. And we also say that, a tiger is a warm-blooded animal and they give birth to baby tigers, right? So what do we call baby tigers?
Cub.
Very good. Can you place the picture over here? Well done. Let's look at another picture. Oh, this animal also has stripes on his body.
This is zebra.
Oh, a zebra, that's right. Is a zebra a plant-eating animal or a meat-eating animal?
Plants.
Plant-eating animal. And what do you call a plant-eating animal?
Herbivore.
That's right, okay. So, unlike the tiger, okay, a zebra feeds on wild grass and wild berries. Can you place the picture over here? Okay, let's look at another picture here. What animal do you see in this picture?
A giraffe.
A giraffe. And look at the giraffe's body. Do you see stripes on its body? No, but we see patches on its body. It's a very unique animal. Do you know that a giraffe is the world's tallest animal in the world? Because they are really very, very tall. Look at the long neck. And look at the long legs. Do you know what does the giraffe feed on?
Leaves.
Leaves, wild grass, okay? Basically, they feed on the leaves, especially the leaves on the top of the tree. Can you see? Because they are so tall, yeah? So if we want them to bend their neck, it's very, very difficult because the bones that they have in their neck, they are not flexible, all right? So a giraffe feeds on the leaves on top of the tree. Can you place the picture over here? Right, see, I have some name tags here. Okay, so can you please help me to read the name tags and match them to the animal picture cards?
Tiger.
Very good.
Zebra.
That's right.
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Let's read the names one more time.
Tiger. Zebra. Giraffe.
Well done, Judith. For more videos, follow us on all our social media platforms. See you again!